Hello, it's Ed again with another video for you. This is a kind of gear related video comparing the audio on Canon Rebel T6 and a Zoom H4n handy recorder. The context is set on the Merrimac Ferry crossing the Wisconsin River. There's a bit of noise from the ferry itself. It's sort of pulling itself along these cables to get across the river, and the windows are closed. It's raining out, and just looking out the side, talking a little. I'm also hearing the noise of the ferry, like I just said. And so comparison is from the built-in mic on the Rebel T6 and the Zoom H4n. I'll play the scene through the camera's audio and then through the H4n audio, and then I may do some sort of quick edits back and forth between to compare the same little scenes, sort of an A-B contrast. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay, buckle up. Get ready. Here we go. Here we are on the Merrimac Ferry. This is a sound test. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Here we are on the Merrimac Ferry. This is a sound test. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Here we are on the Merrimac Ferry. This is a sound test. Here we are on the Merrimac Ferry. This is a sound test. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. If you found it helpful, you may consider liking the video, subscribing, sharing, leave me a comment. Comments are always fun. Thank you.